Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to change volume buttons in OnePlus mobile. Okay, currently whenever I pressing my volume button, it will be reduce media volume. So how to change that to ringtone volume adjustment. So how to do that? It is very simple. You can simply open your settings application from the menu. Okay, open settings application, then go to sound and vibration. Okay, after that go to bottom of the page, then you can see advanced settings, open that, then you can see two options. First one is volume button function, open that, then you can see here there is two functions like media volume and ringtone volume, but actually most of the case we are using media volume, so it is better to set on media volume, and you don't like, you can set it to ringtone volume for adjusting ringtone volume from the anywhere from your screen. So I'm recommending media volume, but you need to change it to ringtone volume. You can change it to ringtone volume. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so I can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.